Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to put Viber on silent mode. So it's very simple. First of all, you just have to download Viber from Play Store, or if you are using iOS, then you can just download it from App Store. So here I have already downloaded my Viber account and just click on this. So now you just need to go to contacts. So that is from this purple icon which is in the bottom right corner. Just click on this, and for example you need to just silent a contact in your mobile. So just click on the contact number, and this is the interface that comes when you select a contact, and just swipe left and you can see the number, and here you can just click on the mute chat. So they will give you an option for 1 hour or 8 hours or 24 and always. So you need to select these, and here the mute is on. So in this way you can just put Viber on silent mode in your mobile. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.